If you're an agency owner and you're using WordPress to build your clients' websites, this video is for you. We have an amazing feedback box directly in HighLevel so that you can ask any questions, share ideas, pain points, and submit for feedback. Let me show you how you can access this built-in feedback box directly in HighLevel. It's important to note that this is for agency owners only. Let's get started. Okay, so you're just going to want to go on to the sub-account level and click on Sites. Once you click on Sites, just head on to the top and click on WordPress. You'll see your websites listed below. Now, if you go to the top right where it says Create Site, you're going to see a little icon here. This is our feedback icon. Go ahead and select that, and here's where you're going to go ahead and provide that feedback, and you're able to instantly do that directly inside of the platform. How cool is that? So go ahead and just type out whatever your feedback is. If you want to address any pain points that you're facing, or if you need support, just go ahead and submit that information and click Send Message. Now you'll see that notification pop up that says, thanks for helping us improve. So go ahead and start submitting your feedback today. Now you may be wondering where your feedback submissions go. There's a dedicated Slack channel to ensure insights reach our team directly through HighLevel. You can also update your email address on the form, so feel free to type in the email address of your preference for the particular feedback submission that you're sending in. And if you're wondering if your feedback was successfully submitted, as I mentioned, you're going to see that thanks for helping us improve at the top, and that's how you know that your submission went through. So make sure to look out for that notification, and you can feel free to submit feedback over time. So as you're working within WordPress, you may notice things over time that you feel needs improvement, and you can go ahead and submit that feedback as we work on improving the hosting experience for you and your clients.